Are there points in the arrest process where people feel it's hopeless because of what's happened? For instance, if people take field sobriety tests and they fail them and they're arrested, do you feel that dooms their case? Or when they take a breath test and they blow above the legal limit, they feel doomed at that point? Attorney Brian Geno explains, I think people start to feel helpless when the officer pulls them over. That's one. When they are asked to do a breath test, they can really see the writing on the wall, and they get pretty depressed at that point. Probably the worst of all, though, is when they get locked up. When someone either gets handcuffs put on them or they're locked up, that's when they really start to feel bad. If I happen to talk to them the day after they get the charge, some of what I do is a pep talk, because it's not as bad as it seems. Even if it all were true, many times it's not as bad as they think. A lot of times people walk out of my office and it's like a weight's been lifted off of them because they are starting to realize this is not the worst thing that happened to them. They have some hope. They have some chances. Now that I think about it, one of the worst moments is probably if you get an officer who's very harsh or aggressive with you and they dehumanize you. That's a pretty bad moment also. I think a lot of police officers are alpha males and they can dehumanize people. The people charged with DUI are regular people, often good people, people who would be a friend but for the fact they were the DUI defendant. For more information and a free phone consultation, contact Geno Law Firm at 703-691-4366 or visit them on the web at genolaw.com.